Hey guys, Aaron here from Werewolf Pulse. This is take three. Yeah, yep, yeah. It's a error I keep getting because I'm not sure if the video keeps on getting corrupted or yeah, but yeah, I yep. On take one, I keep on making errors. So yeah, yes. I haven't did one of those like 1 minute pass videos in a while, but yeah, um. Yep. Um, yep. Enjoying break so far, so yeah. Nothing else is coming to mind, but yeah, just got done eating a little bit ago, and yeah. Saturdays will, be, early after vlog and breakfast on the computer. Yep. And today will be, after vlog 11 a.m. for part 2, so yeah. I won't be on the computer during part 2 of the vlogs. So yeah, that's it guys, I'll see you guys later, bye!